Get ready with me. Outfit number 1. So outfit number 2. Should I go with the black top or this top? Because it's a set. It's backless. I think I like the black top. Some summer shorts. Yeah. You could also do it like this. Yeah. Or this could also go, right? No. This is giving decent. Well, I'm trying to go for that one. Okay, guys. I guess this is the final outfit. I'm going for jeans with the black top, the popular top, and the black shirt. Hair in a ponytail. Thank you. Clack it. Anyways, it was just a simple get ready with me to go chill. That's it. Thank you for watching though.